Good day, I'm Dr. T and welcome to my office. So today I'd like to talk about the atom and what's in the atom. So by the early 20th century we started realizing that that John Dalton probably was right, these atom things were probably a thing, and that he was also not entirely correct in that they weren't just hard spheres. Admittedly, the billiard ball model is one that we still use to this day because it is super useful. But it's way too simple. And so we needed a more complicated model of the atom, a better understanding of what's going on with the atom. And through a series of experimentations that finally starts to crystallize by the late 1930s, we now get our modern understanding of the atom. So atoms are made up of three parts. The first two are located in the nucleus, which is a very, very tiny part of the atom located in the dead middle of it. Now, the electrons, I'm going to use the non-scientific word buzz, because the way they move is, shall we say, interesting and a bit complicated. So I'm going to say the electrons buzz around the nucleus. They are negatively charged and therefore attracted to the positively charged protons. However, they're not going to simply, collide into the nucleus. So they're going to buzz around the nucleus, creating an electron cloud. The nature of that particular electron cloud is going to determine how that particular atom interacts with the rest of the world, and of course that is being controlled by the protons. And thus, for any given element, the nature of that atom, what element that is determined by the number of protons, since those aren't easily changed, whereas electrons can come and go. So with that said, I'll jump in more with atoms in a later video, and have a wonderful day.